भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुता पदकमलम्. Anyway, the chanting is so auspicious. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given his benediction, Cheta Darpana Marjanam Bhava Mahadabhagni Nidmapanam. We are suffering in this material world because we are not cleansed of our understanding or of our heart. The heart is not cleansed. So this chanting will help us to cleanse the heart. Sinnatang sakatha Krishna punna savana kirtana riddantastha avadrani vidhunati suhissata. Chanting is so nice that as soon as you take to chanting or hear about Krishna, the chanting is also hearing about Krishna. So immediately the cleansing process begins. Cheta darpana marjana. And as soon as our heart is cleansed, bhava mahadavagni nidmapanam, then we become free from the blazing fire of this material existence. So, chanting is so auspicious. Therefore, Parikshit Maharaj here, Sukadeva Goswami says, Baryane sate prasna, krito loka hitang nipa. In another place also, Sukadeva Goswami, Suta Goswami said, Jat kita Krishna sam prasna, jayatma sam prasidati. When the great saintly persons in the Naimisharanya inquired about Krishna, he replied like that, Jat kita Krishna sang prasna. Because you have inquired about Krishna, it will cleanse your heart. Jeno atma sam prasidati. You will feel a very transcendental bliss, comfort within your heart. So, Baryane sati prasna krita lokahitam. Lokahitam. Actually, this movement is the prime welfare activities to the human society. Lokahitam. It is not a business. Business means my hitam, my benefit only. It is not. It is Krishna's business. Krishna's business means Krishna is for everyone. Therefore, Krishna's business is meant for everyone. We therefore welcome everyone. There is no distinction. Come here and chant Lokahitam. And a sadhu, a saintly person, should always think of Lokahitam. That is the difference between sadhu and ordinary man. Ordinary man, he thinks only of himself or expanded himself for family, for community, for society, for nation. These are all expanded selfishness. Expanded. When I'm alone, I'm thinking of my benefit only. When I'm little grown up, I think of my brothers and sisters. And when I'm little advanced, I think of my family. Little advanced, I think of my community. Little advanced, I think of my country, my nation. Or I can think of the whole human society internationally. But Krishna is so big that Krishna includes everyone, not only human society, animal society, bird society, bee society, tree society, everything. Krishna says, Aham bija pradapita, I am the seed-giving father of all these forms. Krishna, Krishna Krishna